Welcome to ChiroFusion's video tutorial on facility and users. ChiroFusion is optimized for the Google Chrome browser. For optimal performance, you'll need to use Chrome on all devices when accessing ChiroFusion. Also note that you should only have one instance of ChiroFusion running on your browser at a time. This means never have multiple tabs or windows of ChiroFusion open on a device. Never have the same user logged in on multiple devices at the same time. Doing so will impact functionality and information getting saved. Now we're going to begin by logging into our admin account. The Facility tab displays the physical location of your practice. All of the information that you input within this tab will populate on your HCFA 1500 forms. It is important that you review this information for accuracy and, if need be, update any of the fields listed. If you are billing with a group NPI, you will input this number into the field labeled Group NPI. The email address listed here should be an email that is closely monitored. If you are utilizing our online scheduling add-on, the system will send you confirmation emails when an appointment is scheduled online. At the bottom left, we have the logo field, where you can upload your practice logo. Once uploaded, it will display on your patient statements, receipts, and account ledgers. For clients using online intakes and online scheduling, the logo will also show on these features. The next tab is where we can manage our various users. Within our user type drop-down menu, we have 4 options. You can add as many staff and super staff users as you would like at no additional cost to you. The main difference between the two is that super staff users can initiate SOAP notes, complete outcome assessments, and delete files from the patient medical files, whereas staff users do not have these permissions. When adding a user, you will see all required fields are marked with an asterisk. It is important to note that each user will need a unique email address that will act as their username. Users cannot share the same email address. This applies to providers, staff, and super staff. An additional feature that you have for all users is the ability to disable billing. If needed, you can choose to disable the entire billing module or just disable the billing reports. This setting can be changed at any time. Once we are done, we want to click Save, and we will see a message indicating the user was successfully added and that the credentials have been sent to the email address listed. The other types of users are providers and scheduling providers. Provider users have full access to the software, including the ability to sign SOAP and exam notes and bill under their name. A scheduling provider is a profile we can create to add an additional column on your schedule and is specifically for scheduling purposes only. Providers and scheduling providers must be added and removed by the ChiroFusion support team. Please submit a ticket through the Help Center to receive instructions on proceeding. This concludes our video tutorial on the facility and user section of the admin account.